Hello. This video will show how to access the boot menu on an Acer laptop to install Windows 10 from a bootable USB flash drive. Usually, to start the boot menu, you need to press the F12 key several times after turning on the laptop, but the problem is that by default this key is often not active. Now I will go into the laptop BIOS, switch the F12 boot menu parameter, and after that it will be possible to continue installing Windows. I turn on the laptop and immediately press the F2 key. I press 3 to 4 times a second until the BIOS boots. The BIOS has booted. Now with the left and right arrows, go to the Main tab. Find and go to the parameter, F12 boot menu. Press the key Enter. In the window that opens, select the option, Enabled, and push Enter. Now the F12 key has become active. Press the F10 key and select Save Changes and exit. The laptop restarts, and at this time we press the F12 key several times until the boot menu appears. In the boot menu window, select the Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive and click Enter. Now the installation of Windows 10 has begun. We learned how to call the boot menu on the Acer laptop, and this is where my video ends. Thank you all for your attention. Good luck.